Beneath New Zealand's wild west coast skies, an ancient stone symphony plays daily. Welcome to Punakaiki, where 30 million years of geological history meets the raw power of the Tasman Sea. These remarkable pancake rocks didn't form overnight. Their story begins in a long-vanished sea, where layer upon layer of marine sediment slowly compressed into limestone. Over unimaginable stretches of time, earthquakes tilted these deposits skyward, exposing them to nature's sculpting tools, the relentless wind, rain, and crashing waves that carved them into the extraordinary stacks we see today. What makes Punakaiki truly special are its blowholes. When the tide is right and swell conditions perfect, seawater forces its way through hidden tunnels in the rock with such power that it erupts skyward in spectacular geyser-like displays. The largest of these, nicknamed Sudden Surge, can shoot water an astonishing 20 meters into the air when conditions align. Visiting Punakaiki is all about timing. Come about 2 hours before high tide for the best shows, and be prepared to get wet if you stand too close. The easy 20-minute loop walk takes you right past the most impressive formations. While summer brings calmer seas and bigger crowds, winter storms create the most dramatic displays. Just remember your raincoat. Getting here is part of the adventure. Punakaiki sits about halfway between Westport and Greymouth on the stunning coastal Highway 6. There's parking for all vehicles, and the nearby village offers cozy cafes to warm up in after your exploration. As you stand watching the ocean's performance, remember you're witnessing a show that's been running for millennia. The Pancake Rocks don't care about our schedules. They perform only when tide, swell and wind come together in perfect harmony. It's nature's reminder that some of the world's greatest wonders can't be rushed, only appreciated when conditions are just right. So take a moment. Listen to the rocks breathe. Feel the salt spray on your face. And know that long after we are gone, this ancient coastal ballet will continue, just as it has for countless generations before us.